Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Formnext 2022. It's a pleasure to have you here on BASF booth. Today we want to speak a little bit more about the cooperation we have with Photocentric. We have a fantastic cooperation based on the joint understanding between the two companies, sharing the vision of industrialization of additive manufacturing. This cooperation is not only about developing new materials for the Photocentric platform, it's also about enabling the industrial applications. It's about making the machine and resin and the chemistry work nicely together, being fit for the purpose of our customers, meeting the needs of the application.